Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix cannot install Snapchat error on your mobile phone. When you open your Play Store or your App Store and go through Snapchat on your search bar, then you tap on the Snapchat, then you'll be able to see an error when you try to install the Snapchat. To fix that error, once check if your device is compatible with the latest version of your Snapchat on your mobile phone. Then after checking whether your device is compatible or not, then check whether there is sufficient storage space on your device to download Snapchat. If you don't have sufficient storage space, then you can delete your large files and applications that you don't want on your mobile phone. With that, the cannot install Snapchat error can be due to the huge cache storage on your Play Store. So go through your settings on your mobile phone. Then tap on Apps option. With that, tap on Manage Apps option. Then look for your Play Store. Then tap on Play Store option. With that, now here you can see clear data option. Tap on clear data. Then you can either delete your cache data or you can delete all the datas as you like. Then again tap on OK option to delete the data. After that, now go through your Google Play Store. Then look for Snapchat application again on the search bar. Then tap on Snapchat. Then now here tap on install. With that, you'll be able to fix cannot install Snapchat error on your mobile phone. This is how we can fix cannot install Snapchat error on mobile phone. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.